In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for project management, specifically how to build a robust system for tracking your projects and keeping your team on schedule. ClickUp is a powerful, all-in-one productivity platform designed to streamline workflows and boost collaboration, and mastering its project management features will dramatically improve your team's efficiency. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is sign into your ClickUp account. You can do this by going to clickup.com and entering your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you'll be prompted to create one. It's free to start, so don't let that stop you. ClickUp offers several ways to access your account. You can use the web app, the desktop app, or the mobile app, whichever you find most convenient. It's a good habit to always double-check you're logged into the correct account, especially if you share ClickUp with a team, to avoid any confusion. Next, we need to create a dedicated space for your project. Think of a space as a container. It's where all the related information and work for your project will live. Click the plus new button and select space. A pop-up will appear, and you'll be prompted to give your space a name. It's best practice to name the space after your project or the department responsible for it. This immediately clarifies the context for everyone involved. Don't worry about perfect formatting here. Just make it clear and concise. Now, let's build out the structure within that space. You'll want to create folders to separate major phases or categories of your project. For example, if you're launching a new marketing campaign, you might have folders for research, creative assets, and launch execution. Folders are like subfolders that organize your tasks and make it easier to see everything at a glance. Think of them as the main sections of your project, and then organize tasks within those sections. A common mistake is to throw everything into one giant folder. Resist the urge to do that. It's far more effective to break things down. Moving on, you'll create lists within each folder for specific deliverables. A list is where you'll actually list out the individual tasks you need to complete. So within your research folder, you might have a list called competitor analysis. And within the creative assets folder, you'd have a list like social media graphics. This hierarchical structure allows you to manage the scope of your project effectively. Each list is a clear container for your work, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Now for the crucial stuff, adding tasks. Within each list, you'll create individual tasks for all project activities. Click the plus new task button and type in the description of the task, such as write blog post or schedule social media update. Be specific with your task descriptions. The more detailed you are, the better your team will understand what needs to be done. Remember, a task represents a single actionable piece of work. Focus on breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Next, you assign those tasks to the appropriate team members. Click on a task and then select the person responsible for completing it from the drop-down menu. Clear task assignment ensures accountability. It's important to consider each team member's workload when assigning tasks. Avoid overloading anyone. Furthermore, assigning tasks isn't just about who can do it, but who is best suited to do it, incorporating skills and expertise. With tasks assigned, the next step is to set due dates and start dates for each task. This isn't just about deadlines. Start dates help you track progress and plan your work effectively. Click on a task, and you'll find fields to input these dates. Realistic deadlines are absolutely vital. Over-optimistic estimates often lead to stress and missed targets. Consider using ClickUp's time tracking features once you start using the platform to get a clearer picture of how long things actually take. Now, let's talk priorities. You can define task priorities, high, medium, or low, to focus your team's efforts on what's most important. This helps ensure that critical tasks are tackled first. You can also use ClickUp's custom priority fields to tailor this system to your specific needs. Don't be afraid to adjust priorities as circumstances change. Project needs evolve and priorities must adapt. To make complex projects even easier to handle, you can break down the work into subtasks. Click on a task and then select Add Subtask. Subtasks are smaller steps within a larger task, making the overall goal less daunting. Think of it like building with Legos. You start with the big set and then you break it down into individual bricks. Subtasks provide a granular level of control and tracking. Don't forget about dependencies. Establish task dependencies where necessary. This means linking tasks so that one can't start until another is finished. ClickUp allows you to visually connect tasks, highlighting these crucial relationships. Understanding dependencies is essential for managing timelines and avoiding delays. It's a key aspect of effective project scheduling. Now, let's add detail. Each task benefits from descriptions, files, and documentation. You'll find fields to attach relevant documents and notes directly to the task. This centralizes all project-related information, making it easily accessible to the team. A well-documented task reduces confusion and rework. Consider creating a shared library of templates or standard operating procedures within ClickUp to streamline this process. To help with tracking progress, use status to track the stage of each task. ClickUp offers predefined statuses like to do, in progress, and completed, but you can customize them to fit your workflow. This provides a clear visual representation of where each task stands. Statuses give everyone on the team a shared understanding of the project's current state. You'll want to switch to board view to visualize your workflow stages. This Kanban-style view allows you to drag and drop tasks between columns representing different stages of progress. This provides a great visual overview of project flow and makes it easy to identify bottlenecks. To manage timelines and dependencies more effectively, you'll shift to Gantt view. This provides a graphical timeline of your project showing task durations and dependencies. This gives you a comprehensive overview of the entire project schedule. Reviewing upcoming deadlines is simplified with Calendar view. This displays all tasks with due dates in a calendar format, giving you a clear overview of your team's workload. It's a great way to proactively identify potential conflicts. While ClickUp offers workload-related views, monitor your team's capacity using these views where available to ensure no one is overloaded. This helps identify potential bottlenecks early on. Collaboration is key, so use comments and mentions to communicate with stakeholders directly within the task. This keeps all discussions related to that task in one place. Finally, create dashboards to monitor project performance. Dashboards allow you to quickly visualize key metrics such as task completion rates and identify areas for improvement. Set up automations to reduce repetitive work, streamlining your workflow even further. ClickUp's automation features can save you valuable time and effort. Regular meeting is crucial. Review project progress during regular meetings, discuss roadblocks, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Update task statuses frequently to maintain an accurate overview of the project's progress. This is the cornerstone of effective ClickUp usage. When work is done, complete and archive finished projects, keeping your workspace organized and focused on current tasks. You have successfully used ClickUp for project management. You've built a solid foundation for tracking your projects and collaborating with your team. Now, to reinforce what you've learned, consider setting up a recurring project to practice these steps regularly. Also, explore ClickUp's advanced features like reporting and integrations to maximize its potential. Don't forget to save this video for future reference and revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching.